If you have a WordPress website, it's important to keep it up to date with the latest version of WordPress. This will ensure that your site is secure and working as expected. In this tutorial, we'll update WordPress through the WordPress dashboard. Before running any update, we highly recommend that you back up your WordPress website. And if you don't currently have backups set up, there is a plugin called Updraft Plus that we use quite often, and it does a great job if you want to check it out. As you can see here, we're on our WordPress dashboard. And if your website is in need of updating, WordPress will let you know by adding a message here, prompting you to update now. So we'll go ahead and click this message right here. And this is where it's going to tell us which version we're currently using and that there's a new version available. And all we have to do to update our WordPress version is click the button here. And there you have it. Our site is now using the most current version of WordPress. Like I mentioned earlier, be sure to run a backup just in case anything goes wrong. It's not totally uncommon for updates to kind of throw things off. Also, if you visit your website while it's updating, it will display a maintenance mode message, and it'll basically look like the website is down. If you do see this message, don't panic. It typically lasts only a couple of seconds. For more WordPress tutorials, be sure to subscribe to the eStoreKings YouTube channel.